beautiful people. Today we're going to be making strawberry banana smoothie, and we're gonna add ginger and peanut butter to it. So this is one banana. This is a half cup of strawberries. This is your ginger. This is 1 tablespoon of honey. You don't want to add honey if you don't want to. And this is 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. I heaped it up because I like a little peanut butter. And then this is 1 cup of milk and some ice. You don't have to add the ice if you do not want to. So I'm gonna put all of this in the blender. I'm gonna blend it together. There you go. It's a simple smoothie. It's very good and very healthy for you. Bon appetit.